Hi, this is Sudarshan here. Welcome to this small presentation on bullet graph. Let's try to do a sales analysis for this example. Let's take the sample superstore dataset. Have the sample superstore dataset. I select on orders. Let's see what analysis we can drive on. I have order date. I have segment, state, region, product, category, sales, quantity, profit. Okay, so there is no target or budget. So let's take an example. Maybe we try to compare the sales statistics of two particular years. So let's take an example for current year, maybe 2016, and last year 2015. Since this data contains the cumulative data, we need to bifurcate the data into two different calculated fields, the sales into two different calculated fields. So let's create one calculated field as sales 2016, where we say if year of order date is equal to 2016, then sales. Okay, similarly we create one for 2015, so we say sales 2015 if year of order date is equal to 2015, then sales end. So now we have created these two fields. For the bullet chart, we need to have two measures. So we have these two measures. We select both of them. We create a bullet graph. Now you can see over here, there's a cumulative bullet graph for the sales for the year 2016 and 2015. This line indicator is basically this particular field, which is nothing but the sales figure of 2015. And behind, if you would see over here, this is a band which shows the 80% average sale of 2015, and here it's 60% average sales 2015, and this blue line is nothing but the sales of 2016. So overall you can see that the consolidated sales has outperformed 2015. But as a salesperson, I would like to have more insight on the category and segment and see how they are performing. So let's select category and the segment, the dimension. I move the category to the column. So now I have a graph. You can see the different products, the way they have performed. Now, since the let's add a color to this, as this graph we are not able to distinguish clearly on the sales which has outperformed or short performed. For this purpose, we need to create one more field. So create one more calculated field, say performance sales. So I say if sales of 2016 is greater than sales of 2015, this I need to have sum of sales since it's a measure. Sum of sales, sum of sales 2015, then true. Apply. Okay. Now drag this performance and bring it over here. Now you can see the color, so we can easily visualize which is performed well and which is underperformed. So maybe let's change the color for better visualization. So the one which is underperformed, which is nothing but null, we show it as red, and the one which is performed, we show it as blue. So now this changes the graph. So this, let's rename this sheet as consolidated sales year wise. Now let's have more in depth into this particular segment, or for each of them, whether this is a seasonal trend or any other reasons we can infer on this. For this purpose, we need to have one more dimension. We can add month as a dimension. So let's create one more sheet. Same basis, everything are same. So just add this. I need to execute everything as is. Bring the category, bring in the segment, and bring in the month. So I change this year to month. Now get this month over here and get the category over there. Yeah, looks much better. Let's change this lines to bar for better visualization. So we go to the marks, change this to bar. Now we have got a good visualization. I need to scroll down. So what if I can change this graph, swap it, so I can fit this possibly in one screen. Yeah. So I renamed this as month-wise statistics, month-wise sales. Yeah. Now I have both consolidated sales and month-wise. As a analyst, when we present, it would be better to have a dashboard and have a drill down approach for better visualization. So for this purpose, let's create a new dashboard. I have a consolidated figure and I drag in the monthly statistics. So now I can have both the graphs in one screen. What if I need to drill down in such a way when I select one of those products or category segment, the graph below should show only related to those. This can be achieved by linking those graphs. So how do you do it? Go to the dashboard, go to actions, add action. I say filter. I say when I, this is the source sheet 1. So I say when I select, it should show all the values in the lower graph. I say OK. Now if I select home office, you can see this statistics is related only to the home office. If I select consumer furniture, it will show me statistics only related to this. So this gives you a more visual dimension and better understanding from a single dashboard. So guys, you have data, you can play around much more in this and find out more insight on other fields. So if you liked my video, gives a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.